Hello everyone. So you can see a vertical turning lathe machine over here. You can see a chuck of huge size in which workpiece is mounted, and on this workpiece turning is being performed. So there is a motor which is transmitting motion to this chuck, and in the chuck workpiece is mounted, so the motion is transmitted from the chuck to workpiece. And you can see the tool, and this tool is mounted in a head, and this head is mounted over the overarm, or we can say cross rail. So this is turning is performed internally over the workpiece, and as you know, the single point cutting tool is used, and this is made of high carbon steel or high speed steel. So this is the cross rail, and over this cross rail you can see cross rail is having the guideways, and over the guideways this tool head can slide left to right or right to left, and this tool head is also having the provision to move vertically up and down. Tool head can move vertically up and down, and this whole cross arm can also move vertically up and down. So different motors are being used to move. See, there are 5 motors are used in this particular vertical turning lathe machine, and one motor is attached to the spindle. It is transmitting motion to the spindle, and there are 3 tool heads are there. One tool head you can see over the cross arm, and there are 2 more tool heads. So these 3 tool heads are operated by different 3 motors. We can use these 3 tool heads simultaneously, or we can use one by one. As you can see, at this point of time simply one tool head is being used to perform the turning operation. Here you can see another tool head, and this tool head is basically used to perform the turning on outside. And this tool head, you can see handles, various hand wheels are there to move the tools. So these motors and shafts are there. So this cross rail, this I have already told you, and you can see the vertical columns are there, and over these vertical columns cross arm can move vertically up and down. These are having guideways. So basically vertical turning lathe are used to have machining over the huge size workpiece. And so 5 motors were used for. First motor is used to transmit motion to chuck. 3 motors were used to transmit motion to 3 tool heads, and 1 motor is used to move the cross arm vertically up and down. So thank you. Please do subscribe my channel.